Let me tell you about a thing that moves real slick. It's called the Webhook, and it's super quick. When an event goes down and don't wait in line, it sends data out right on time. No need to ask, hey, anything new? The source app's like, yo, I'll tell you. It hits your URL with a past request with JSON data. Yeah, no stress. Say someone buys from your online store, Webhook fires order number 24. It shoots that data to your backend code. Now your system knows time to reload. And don't poll every second, that's a heavy toll. Webhooks keep it light, that's their role. It's real-time flow from app to app, automation magic wrapped in a wrap. So next time you're syncing, no need to look, just hook it up once. That's a webhook. Yeah, it pays you when it's time to act. Real-time updates, and that's a fact. Code and you're dropping knowledge in a dope format. Hit subscribe if you're feeling that. From front-end vibes to back-end tricks, we make dev easy, bar by bar, brick by brick.